In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to set up or how to create a WhatsApp business account. Now, the first thing you want to do is install WhatsApp Business. Okay, you might have the normal WhatsApp account, but this is not enough to have a WhatsApp Business. You need the WhatsApp Business application. So simply go to your respective app store, the Apple App Store for iPhone users and the Google Play Store for Android users. So once you get to your app store, just search WhatsApp Business. Okay, so search for WhatsApp Business, and this is the WhatsApp Business app. So this is what you need to install on your phone. Now, with the app installed, simply launch it, and then let's go ahead and set up the WhatsApp Business account. Okay, now we are inside the WhatsApp Business app. You can see it's a different app from the normal WhatsApp personal account. So let's go ahead and set up WhatsApp Business. We have this page, welcome to WhatsApp Business. You have to agree and continue. Tap on that. Now you have two options. Okay, you can use the same number you've been using for the normal WhatsApp, or you can use a different number. And this might be particularly useful in case you have two numbers, in case you have a dual SIM phone, could be an iPhone or Android phone. If you have a dual SIM phone, you can use one number for business and the other number for personal reasons. Okay, now since this is my work phone, I'm just going to transfer my WhatsApp account from the normal WhatsApp into business. If you want a different number, then use a different number. Okay, now let's go ahead and allow that for notifications. I'm going to use my current number, the one I'm using here, because like I said, this is my business phone. So I'll just tap on that. If this is not your business phone, you might want to use a different number for WhatsApp Business. So let me tap on that to use the same phone. Now what's going to happen is that my WhatsApp is going to be transferred from my personal account to the new business application. Now we still have the same profile picture. You can change it if you want to by tapping on edit. This is the name of my business. Then choose a business category. It's an educational business. Let's call it school, like that. And then of course you can add more details in the settings. Okay, so for now let's just go ahead and tap on next. It says WhatsApp Business would like to access your contacts. Let's go ahead and do that. And there you go. So there is WhatsApp Business, right? So you have your calls here, you have your updates here, you have your normal chats here, you have settings, but this is now WhatsApp Business. Okay, you have a profile, you have a catalog where you can add the products that you're selling. If you want to add a new item, for instance, just go ahead and create a catalog. Okay, so as you can see, you can add images, describe the item that you're selling, and all that stuff. Now I'll get into more details on how to create a catalog in a WhatsApp Business, but as far as creating a WhatsApp Business account goes, that's it. Okay, you have all these tools for WhatsApp Business. You have advertise, Facebook and Instagram. You can create short links. You can choose your status, whether you're away or available, all these settings. But we've now created a WhatsApp Business account and it's ready to go. You still have your chats here. You can continue your chats. You can send people messages telling them you now have a business account. But that is how to create a WhatsApp Business account. This works for both iPhone and Android. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.